dear friends, in previous lecture we studied about the atomic radius, and in this lecture we will study about the coordination number of that particular crystal structure or unit cells. Okay, so what is mean by coordination number? The number of nearest neighbor that an atom has in unit cell is called as a coordination number. That means in that particular, in one unit cell, if we consider any one atom, it has how many numbers of nearest neighbor? That is nothing but the coordination number. Okay, we will see one by one in simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic. So in simple cubic, we all know that the atoms are present at the corners only. Okay, so if we consider any corner atom, any one of corner atom, if we consider this atom, this particular atom, we can see here this is the nearest neighbor. This we can numbering this. So this is the nearest neighbor of this atom. This is also nearest neighbor and this is also the nearest neighbor. That means in this one unit cell there are three nearest neighbor of this atom. So okay, so we all know that there are number of unit cell in atoms. Okay, so what is meant by unit cell? Unit cell is nothing but the smallest unit which can repeat for the formation of lattice, or which can form lattice after its repetition. So here other unit cell at the back, at the top of that unit cell and at the side of unit cell. If we consider this point, we know that at the top of this unit cell there is another unit cell connecting adjacent other unit cell, and here is one atom from that unit cell to nearest neighbor of this atom. Okay, we can say nearest neighbor of this atom. Okay, at the top. Okay, and if we consider adjacent or side unit cell, so there is another one nearest atom. And if we consider at the back of this unit cell, there is another one atom. So we can have in this unit cell we can have three nearest atom, and in the considering unit cell or adjacent, we can say adjacent unit cell, there are three atoms. So total nearest neighbor, we can say coordination number of simple cubic is 6. Okay, in body centered cubic we know that atoms are present at the corners as well as one atom is present in the body diagonal. If here we consider atom of body center. Okay, so we can see here there are four nearest atom, these four nearest atom at the top plane. Okay, and four nearest atom at the bottom plane. So very simple here. So coordination number for BCC is 8. Okay, in face centered cubic we know that there are 6 faces. Okay, and 6 atoms are present on the faces. Okay, so if we consider one atom from this face, and we can see here the nearest atom from corner are 4. From corner are 4, and these are the face centered atom. Okay, so they are 4 also. And if we consider another unit, this is first basic considering unit cell, or this is adjacent unit cell. Okay, so from the adjacent unit cell there are 4 face centered nearest atoms of this particular atom which we have considered. Okay, so there are also 4. Then in FCC coordination number is 12. Okay, thank you for watching this video.